when our leadership needs to go in and show someone, a job site, to be able to turn on our drone map layer and show them this beautiful piece of imagery with sharp contrast where you can go in and get down to the nitty-gritty. So that would be, I think, a good use case. My name is Kendall Sims, Geospatial Analyst for Colonial Pipeline Company. One of the beautiful things about us going through the DroneDeploy app was to leverage it and have it accessible for every department. Whether it's our safety department and they're using it to count fire hydrants at our facility, or it's our engineering team who wants to do facility pre-assessments without having to send our people out to the site. So, a facility assessment can be, 10 to 12 people. There's airplane tickets, there's travel, there's hotel, all of those things. To eliminate people just throwing thumb drives from various drone captures, they have to have a DroneDeploy account and a compatible device to upload that into the account. So it eliminates any of that disconnect between data types. So coming from a GIS background, I remember writing code to be able to pull and assign cases for remote sensing to imagery. We need to identify water, concrete, metal, cars, buildings, any kind of structure. It was all very time-consuming, very difficult. Being able to click one piece of dirt and say, hey, look for this mound of dirt, and it identifies all of that, well, it hurt my feelings because, man, I wish I had had that in my schooling. My bet is whether you're in construction or you're in pipeline or you're in any other utility, it's the front loading of the knowledge of that imagery that you get, that sharp clearness of the imagery to allow you to, at a glance, assess a piece of land or property. The sheer excitement of just using it is incredible.